Google just shipped 3 new Gemini models on a Tuesday, no keynote, no countdown. The one with the headline 3.6 Flash is a mid-tier model that costs less than Google's own Pro and still beats the Flash it replaces. And one of the 3 you are not allowed to buy. Let me walk you through what actually shipped. This is the announcement, straight from Google. 3 models, 1 post, all under the Flash name. So what are the 3? 3.6 Flash is the everyday workhorse, tuned for agents. 3.5 Flash Lite is the fast, cheap tier built for high volume. And 3.5 Flash Cyber is a security model you cannot just sign up for. We will get to that one. Start with the whole point of this release. 3.6 Flash does the same work using 17% fewer output tokens than the model it replaces, measured on the Artificial Analysis Index. On some agentic coding tasks, the drop is far bigger. You pay per token, so fewer tokens is money back in your pocket on every single call. And it is genuinely cheap. $1.50 per million tokens in, $7.50 out, and Google cut that output price down from $9. Now put it next to their own 3.1 Pro at $2 in and $12 out. Flash gets close on a lot of work for well under half the output cost, which is the kind of math that quietly moves a product off the expensive model. Now, does it hold up? On OSWorld, the test for agents that actually click around a real computer screen, 3.6 Flash hits 83%, up from 78%. And computer use is now a built-in tool inside the model, not a bolt-on you wire up yourself. The jump over the last Flash is real across the board. On MLE Bench, it goes from about 50 to 64. On Deep SWE, 37 to 49. And its knowledge cutoff moved more than a year forward, from January 2025 to March 2026, so it is simply less out of date. But keep it honest. On SWE-Bench Pro, fixing real bugs in real repositories, it lands 58.7. That is strong for a cheap model and still well short of the flagship coders that live in the 80s. Flash is not trying to win that fight. It is trying to be good enough for a whole lot less. Then the little one. 3.5 Flash Lite pushes 350 tokens a second, at 30 cents in and $2.50 out. It roughly doubled its scores on terminal and long context tasks over the last Lite, and it is rolling straight into Google search. This is the model built to run at massive scale. Now the one you cannot buy. The third model is 3.5 Flash Cyber, and it is built for a single job, security work, both attack and defense. It is not on the API. It ships inside a Google tool called CodeMender in a limited pilot open only to governments and trusted partners. It is tuned for a benchmark called CyberGem, which measures finding and fixing security holes in real code. And every Flash model this round shipped with stronger guardrails for the genuinely dangerous stuff. Chemical, biological, and cyber misuse, while Google says it also trained them to stop refusing ordinary, legitimate requests. A model gated by what it can do, not by what it costs. For the 2 you can actually use, they are live today. The API through AI Studio, Android Studio, Google's Anti-Gravity, and the Gemini app. Cyber stays behind the CodeMender door. Google did not chase the flagship crown this week. It shipped a cheap, efficient workhorse that undercuts its own Pro, a fast tier aimed at scale, and a cyber model it is keeping on a short leash. The strategy is reach and price, not a bigger benchmark. And Google already told us the real headline is still coming. It has started pre-training Gemini 4. The cheap models just got a lot sharper, and the most interesting one is the one you cannot touch. We take the one AI story that actually matters and break it down at this depth every evening. If that is what you have been looking for, this is your channel.